Okay, got this 55-inch Samsung. It is totally dead. No lights, no power, no nothing.
Chi-Town's finest.
Okay, sorry, you probably can't see the model number too good. It's a Samsung UN55MU6300F. 55-inch Samsung LED TV, and on the dead TV set where there's no clicking, no lights, no nothing, I'm going to check my standby voltage first on my power supply board. And as you can see, it's marked on the board 8 volts in standby, 13 volts when it's powered on. And the test points there are the 2 FETs, the middle pin, the drain pin on the power supply board. So I'm going to plug it in and ground my meter onto the metal chassis. Take my positive lead, put it on DC volts. My meter's in DC volts, and I'm going to check those 2 pins on the FETs and see if I got any standby. Okay, instead of the 8 volts, it looks like it's jumping around. It's hovering around 3 volts, jumping up and down. That is not a good sign. I'm going to check the FET next to it. And that is also jumping around 3 volts. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is actually unplug the connector going from the main board. I'm going from the power supply to the main board. Make sure there's nothing loading that down. If it does jump back up to 8 volts after that's unplugged, it's a good chance you still have a bad power supply board anyway, because it's under load and it's okay. So we'll go again. Okay, now it's around 4.5 volts, but it is also jumping back and forth. That is not a good sign. That means that we definitely have a bad power supply board. And I've got a new one. The part number is a BN44-00807A. I think that board was only around 35 bucks. So I'm in the customer's house, so I'm just trying to do it as efficient as I can. I'm actually going to keep the old board and try to repair it. But we got our new board in, cool, okay, and we're going to go back to the standby voltage, and that should be up around 8 or 12. There we go, 12 volts. I guess TV is trying to power on. I don't see any backlights in the back though, so let's see. Let's check the FET next to it. Okay, well, it looks like we do have power, okay. That is a good sign. We are done. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you like the video. Big Dog out.